What are you waiting on? Summer is right around the corner. Matter of fact,
hello? Who is it? Summer? What?
welcome YouTube. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful video for you today. Now this is the season for everyone trying to lose that weight, lose that stomach, get in shape. Summer is right around the corner. So what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Summer is right around the corner. Matter of fact,
hello? Who is it? Summer? What?
yes, summer just knocked at the door. So it's time for you to get in shape before summer leaves. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some tweaks on what you can do in your daily routine to lose that weight. And these are kind of like tweaks, hacks, okay? So let's get started right now into this video. Now, although I am a culprit of the first one, okay? But the first thing you should do,
And I feel so convicted saying it.
cut back on eating out. But yes, you guys, if you are like me and you like dining out all the time, well, maybe you should try and cut back on eating out at least for 1 week. But if you do eat out, try to order something healthier, like grilled chicken salad instead of a bowl of pasta or hamburgers and fries. Number 2, stop stocking up on snacks. Yeah, I know, I told you to stock up on your snacks. So what am I saying in this video?
Okay, watch the breakdown.
Now, what I mean by this, I mean stop buying snacks from your grocery store and storing and stocking it up in your cupboards, pantry, whatever. Instead, you should actually stock up on carrots, vegetables, okay? Vegetables, fruits, nuts. But if you're stocking up on fresh vegetables and fruits, place them in a container and keep them in your refrigerator. So when you're hungry, the first thing you're gonna see are the fruits and vegetables. And you'll go to those first before those other snacks. Basically, if you see something healthy, you'll want to eat that instead of the other stuff. Place them in front of you so you can see that. Another thing you can do to tweak your weight loss is have a very heavy breakfast. Now, breakfast, as we all hear, is the best way to start your day. Never go out without eating something for breakfast. You should eat at least 300 calories of a healthy mix of protein and whole grains. This will keep you satisfied all morning, and it will help you to snack less throughout the day. So eat a heavy breakfast. Number 4, fit in exercise whenever you can. What you should do is try to fit in small amounts of exercise whenever you can. And I'm talking about little exercise moves like jump roping, jumping jacks, or crunches while watching your TV. You can dance while washing dishes, or speed walking while doing errands. And by doing these little amounts of exercise, you'll end up in Slimville quicker than you can imagine. Number 5, quit smoking. Now, if you're a smoker, quit. There is no way anyone can do exercise and feel healthy and light at the same time when you are a smoker. So, X-nay on the cigarettes. Number 6, clean out your pantry. And when I say clean out your pantry, I mean clean it all out. Clean out the pantry, the cupboards, the office drawers. Clean it all out of all of that unhealthy, processed snacks. And replace it with low-calorie foods like sunflower seeds or a natural applesauce. And in due time, you will make better choices. So, clean out all of that junk. Number 7, switch up your happy hour activities. When I say that, I mean instead of nights out drinking beer, eating wings, movies, popcorn, etc., get a group and start walking and running. It can be as simple as spending 2 hours walking around the mall and window shopping. So switch up your happy hour activities. Instead of drinking and eating, try walking for at least 2 hours. Number 8, crank up that music, y'all. Now, you should load your phone with lots of music that will make you look forward to going out to the gym. The music you choose should be the type of music that will energize you, allowing you to pick up the speed during your exercise sessions. So crank up the music, y'all. Number 9, it's so obvious. eat lots of vegetables. If you're trying to figure out things that you should eat while you're on your journey, vegetable is a mindless decision. It is so simple. Pile on lots of vegetables on your plate. You can pile on the vegetables to the foods that you love, like eating pizza topped with arugula and green peppers instead of eating pizza with pepperoni. You can become full so quickly that you will probably have no room left to eat anything else. And you won't have any room left to eat chips or super rich desserts, okay? You won't have any room to eat anything like that after eating a healthy meal with lots of vegetables. Number 10, run for 20 minutes. 1 second, y'all. Yes, you guys, start running 20 minutes a day during your lunch hour. Or you can break it up into increments, like 2 10-minute sessions. So try to run for 20 minutes. Number 11, drink 2 glasses of water before eating your meals. Yes, 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 yes. You heard me right. Drink 16 ounces of water before you start a meal. Before each meal and every meal, including snacks. If you do this, you'll be eating a lot less than before. The downside of that is you'll have to go to the bathroom a whole lot more. But it's a very small price to pay when you're trying to lose that weight. So drink 2 glasses of water before each meal and snack. Number 12, eat less salt. Okay, now salt attracts water, y'all. Salt attracts water, which causes bloating and triggers overeating. So try giving salt up for at least 2 weeks and lose between 2 to 4 inches in your waistline. Number 13, cut out sugary drinks. Now when I say cut out sugary drinks, I am speaking about sodas, fruit juices, and other drinks, liqueurs, okay? And if you drink a lot of these, you will be adding sugar. You will be adding calories without doing anything to satisfy the hunger. So if you cut out drinking all of these sugary drinks, you will start to see yourself slimming down fast. Number 14, get more sleep, y'all. Now, sleep not only reduces stress, it also helps us to heal faster, and it also prevents depression. But the best thing I could say is it helps to shave off the pounds. And you know what? That's because sleep loss, it's linked to changes in your appetite and the metabolism of glucose. An hour more of sleep will help you to shed off that weight than an extra hour of walking on that treadmill. So get enough sleep, y'all. And lastly, number 15, don't be so hard on yourself. Obsessing over losing weight can become counterproductive. Now, stress really does a lot of crazy things to your body, and you will have a harder time losing weight if you're stressed out about it. So stay calm, eat clean, and move more. All right? So hopefully these tips were something that you can consider and implement into your daily weight loss lifestyle, and try these and see how it works for you. Hey, if this is going to help you to lose some extra weight, okay, that's a blessing. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe down below. Tell me what kind of videos that you want to see more of on my channel, and I'll get that content out to you as soon as possible. All right. So until the next video, I will see you then. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.